Okay, this video is for the OAuth verification team at Google, who asked us since a week or almost to verify our application. So what they're asking us is what the OAuth verification team asked us to do. They asked us to create a YouTube video demonstrating how you will use Google user data access through OAuth. This video should cover all OAuth client ID that belong to the project blocksimanagerv version 2. And we're going to use admin004 at blocksycorporate.com in order to log into this application and to show the constant screen and all the what user sees and what the way we use actually is data. So the YouTube video fully demonstrated the OAuth grant process by user using restricted scopes. The video should show the OAuth grant process that user will experience, show how you will use the data, show in detail how we use the data you access on each client, includes the app details such as the app name, the client ID containing project number 582019529949. Fully displayed. In our case, it won't be fully displayed because there's a custom domain for our application. So first of all, our application is to be deployed on a Google Admin console, right? So first of all, okay, let me show you our application. Okay, this is the project 582019529949 blocksimanagerv version 2. Okay, it's an app engine hosted application for which we authorize the user to use OAuth in order to authenticate. Let's look at the scope that we are using. So if we go at the scope that we are using, we're going to API service here, OAuth screen for that application. And the scope that we'll be using are the following one: Gmail read only, YouTube read only, Drive only, Drive photo only, admin directory user read only, admin directory, and all those restricted scope for which Google actually asks us to justify the use of those scopes, right? If you want to look at the credentials, the OAuth client ID that we're using this one. So the 582019529949, okay, for the blocksimanagerv, and we use as well the service account, this one, okay. So our application consists of two consent screen. In fact, the first screen, and we're going to show you that. Let me show you as well the domain that we are using. So if I go to App Engine and then go to Settings, the domain that we're using where the user actually logging to is a custom domain, and it's bm.blocksy.net. Okay, good. All right. So now let me log into one of those applications. So what we do go to blocksy.net. We click on admin. Okay. So let me log out from this user. Okay. And I will open up as well an admin console. Okay. As admin, because our application runs on top of G Suite. Okay. And the OAuth screen is just here to okay. Okay, I accept this G Suite online agreement. I'm logging to as an admin onto that account. So the first thing that I will do is to install my service app. I'll go to Marketplace app. And I will show you, sorry about that. And I'm going to install the blocksimanagerv app here. Well, we're going to see a first app. As you can see, it's been installed already by 1.2 million users, or actually installed, running. Click domain install. Okay, continue, and I should be seeing a consent screen by Google. Okay. View match your Chrome OS device, view group subscription on your domain, view group of your domain, view organization use on your domain, view user on your domain, view Google Classroom classes, view email address of people in your classes, manage your Google Classroom roster, view photos, videos, see and download all your Google Drive file, view your emails and messaging settings, assist you with personal info on Google, view your email address. So that's all the scopes that we're actually doing. I agree, accept. Okay, so that is the consent screen, and as using the OAuth client ID. I think this should be here. If we navigate away, it should be here somewhere. Okay, it's right here. Now I will show you the consent screen that the user gets when he signs in. So that's on the Google Admin Console because he needs to install that. And now I'll show you what happens when he signs in to the app because there's two processes. One is to install our extension. The second is to install the application on the G Suite Admin Console. And the next one is to actually log into the application itself. So he goes to blocksy.net, clicks on admin here. As you can see at the bottom left here, it's written bm.blocksy.net. That's the URL. Clicks on admin, shows his account. Oh, maybe I need to remove that. So I need to, yeah, so that's the first thing it does. So I'm going to look at revoking access because I already done that. So let me real quick here. Accounts.google.com. Okay, use this. Because I need to show you the consent screen. So I will revoke access to Blocksy Manager, third-party access. Okay, remove access. Okay, good. Now I can sign in to show you the consent screen that actually the user will get. So I'm clicking on Blocksy Manager version 2. Unfortunately, it's already there. So let me re-log in again to get the consent screen. Okay, continue to your Google account. So normally I should not get access to it. Okay, so let me log in. So I go back to bm.blocksy.net, click on admin. Then I'm asked to authenticate. I'm using this one. And I should get an authentication. Do I get it? No, I don't get it. I'll send you another video showing you the consent screen. Anyhow, here, as you can see, we get access to org units. So the reason why we get access to org units is because, okay, so this maybe there's a problem with this account. So I'm going to look for another account. Okay, so I'm not sure what it is. I cannot log in with, oh, okay, so this one has been revoked. Okay, interesting. So, okay, maybe, okay, go there. Okay, so that's what the user would get, the consent screen, view domain related to your customer, view and manage your customer Chrome apps device.